now we'll call him up to talk about the project. Good morning, my name is Fiona.
My name is Jolie, and my name is Celine.
We are here because we completed our farm tours by each of us making 15 dog tours and 10 dog blankets.
We made these dog toys and blankets to help dogs to live a better life in the shelter. The shelter we chose to donate to is the Anti-Cruelty Society. It is important because some dogs have no entertainment or work, so we decided to provide that for them. Now Selena is going to deliver our appreciation in Vietnamese. Xin kính chào các trưởng, các phụ huynh và các bạn. Hướng đầu xin thay mặt các bạn xin cảm ơn sự giúp đỡ của các trưởng và các bạn đã giúp hoàn thành Bountiful. Hello, my name is Jackie and I did my Bountiful last year with Chelsea. For our Bountiful project, we made dog and cat toys for the